Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp verification code problem. To know how to fix WhatsApp verification code problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, we will go to find the application of WhatsApp like this. As you see, we will click. Then here in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter the storage. After that, in this page we will click clear cache, and then we will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix WhatsApp verification code problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.